never to be guilty of the sin of ingratitude, and to instill the same gratitude into the lives of our children. Ezra Taft Benson's words. A very good evening to all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Mrs. Madhurani Teotia, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, District North, Government of NCT of Delhi. Mr. N.N. Nair, Advisor, Education Advisor, APJ Education Society. Mr. K.P. Raijada is a respectable member of the Managing Committee of APJ School, Pitampura, and other dignitaries. I also welcome our worthy principal, Mr. D.K. Bedi, Mrs. Malini Sridhar, the coordinator for the secondary school, Mrs. Kamya Dua, coordinator for pre-primary, my fellow teachers, grandparents, parents, and dear children. I welcome you all to this evening. We are honored by the gracious presence of our chief guest, Dr. Mrs. Madhurani Teotia. I extend my heartfelt gratitude for accepting the invitation and sparing the valuable time for being here with us today. I welcome you, ma'am. Dr. Satyapal, the president and founder of APJ Education Society, had deep interest and pursuit and promotion of human excellence and a system of education that provides our learners the necessary competence, skills, attitude, and values to effectively cope up with the multiple demands of life. He felt that the greatest service to mankind was through education, not in terms of 3 hours, but as a soul-searching exercise committed towards excellence. His lifetime dream of setting up APJ Satya University, a seat of global learning that would transform the society through value-based education, man-making and nation-building, was realized in the year 2010. Today, APJ Education Society is a unique organization which caters to education from the kindergarten to the PhD level through 29 different institutions all over India. We are highly inspired by his bold initiatives and visionary outlook, which are now being led by Madam Sushma Paul Barlia, the President, APJ Education Society, and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to inform this august gathering that Mrs. Sushma Paul Barlia received global acclaim on being felicitated by Skill Tree Knowledge Consortium at the House of Commons, London in UK in the year 2014. And that was for her exemplary leadership and role in making the APJ Education Society and APJ Satya University the most respected educational institution amongst the global student fraternity. She also has to her credit the Rashtriya Udyog Ratna Award for the same year, that is 2014, conferred by the National Education and Human Resource Development Organization and Quality Brand India in Mumbai. We at APJ Pitampura, under the dynamic, vibrant and multi-talented leadership of our principal, Mr. D.K. Bedi, are inculcating in the students the same values and ideals ingrained in us by our late chairman, Dr. Satyapal, and cherished by Madam Sushma Barlia. Ladies and gentlemen, you will be glad to know that our school was felicitated with National Teaching Excellence Award by Confederation of Indian Universities on 5th of October 2014 under the umbrella of Clean Up the Earth and Cleanliness, Hygiene and Sanitation Education Award this year. George Dana Boardman has very rightly said, sow an act and you reap a habit. Sow a habit and you reap a character. Sow a character and you reap a destiny. Attitude and habits are formed very early in one's life. What children learn in their impressionable childhood years stays with them throughout their lives. We at APJ School Pitampura have been consistently striving to synthesize change-oriented technologies along with cultural values, where educators act as facilitators to students in the teaching-learning process. We follow a flexible curriculum that takes into account the uniqueness of each learner and the various learning styles. The exploratory method of teaching based on activities and peer learning techniques enhances the learning ability and stimulates interest among the students. So the process of inculcating values and building a strong character is done in a very subtle way through rigorous academics, numerous school activities, and community service initiatives. At the international dimension, our school has strong bonding with other schools in UK, Singapore, Japan, very recently with Korea, Germany, Australia, and this is being done through several exchange programs and collaborative projects. Under one such program, the students of class 5 are regularly interacting with the students of the Burot Cornwall Primary School, Saltash in UK through video conferencing. They exchange their views on topics like environment, sports, hobbies, reading books, festivals and places of interest. The bond between the two schools has become so strong that a group of 10 students and 2 teachers have been invited to visit Saltash School in UK this coming May. Another group of students of class 3 regularly write to their pen pals at Bowden Church School, Manchester. They have been exchanging their views about the school, city, festivals, and day-to-day activities in the school. We prepare the primary students for the future challenges which will come their way in the form of competitive exams and Olympiads and many more things. Every year the APJ Junior Olympiad is conducted so as to train these young learners for the international Olympiads. Many of our students have been regularly participating in Asia Pacific Mathematical Olympiad for primary schools organized by Hwa Chong Institution, Singapore. Siddharth Gupta cleared the first round and was invited in the second round at Singapore in the year 2014. There too, his performance was outstanding and he received a gold medal when he competed with more than 200 students of the different nations in South Pacific region. We at APJ School Pitampura want to sensitize and authentically prepare these young learners for democratic participation so as to present themselves to the world and become abreast with the latest happenings. Keeping this in mind, several events are conducted around the year. An exhibition was held on 2nd August 2014. A number of competitions were organized for students as well as their parents. The winners of these competitions would be awarded today. I congratulate all the winning parents. It has been an endeavor of the school to provide students with ample opportunities to have an experiential learning by organizing educational excursions, overnight camps throughout the year. These activities are kept with the aim to make the students self-reliant, learn to work in a team, and become resilient future citizens. Theme-based camps, namely Let's Go Green, Fundamental Unity of Religions, Love for Animals, Traffic, its Condition and Rules, were organized, and the students also visited Air Force Museum, Parley Biscuit Factory, Gandhi Smriti, Philately and National Museum of Natural History. With an aim to ingrain positive attitude, moral values and good habits among the children, we have regular storytelling sessions in Project Katha, so as to encourage these young learners to read independently and thereby enriching their vocabulary and enhancing their verbal skills. The primary wing celebrates special days and assemblies as we want our learners and children to learn to be respectful and tolerant toward other cultures and traditions. A few of the assemblies celebrated this year were based on like Human Rights Day, World Population Day, World Food Day, Literacy Day, and special days of nations like Japan, Italy, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, along with other regular themes related to environment, human behavior and conduct. This is being done across class 2, 3, 4, 5. Inter-class and inter-house competitions help the children to work together in a team and coordinate with each other. Many activities, namely English and Hindi poetry recitation, creative writing, spell-a-thon, Scrabble, Sudoku, art and printing, puppetry, origami, GK and map reading quiz, budgeting, time management, composition writings were all organized for classes 2 to 5. The school CBSE from 2nd October to 15th October. The efforts of Riya Sethi of Class 5 was acknowledged by CBSE for an online drawing competition under the CBSE Expression Series on Mahatma Gandhi and sanitation to promote awareness about sanitation in schools. An inter-class decoration competition is also organized twice a year and is being judged on the basis of cleanliness and proper arrangement of the classroom in the various classes. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll be glad to know that the students not only participated in this inter-class and inter-house competitions, but they went outside the school boundaries and participated in several inter-school competitions as well. Just to name a few, Dr. Satyapal Memorial Mathematics Quest was organized by APJ School Saket, and Abhinav Gupta of Class 5 took the first position in Sudoku over there. During the literary week at APJ School Pitampura, Varish Khurana and Anukriti Jain of Class 5 secured the third position in Patra Manchan Pratiyogita. Vanshika Soni and Muskan Sangal of Class 5 secured the third position in the Banner Fiesta organized by Maharaja Agrasen School, Pitampura. Sports activities provide a healthy outlet to channelize the extra potential of students in a positive manner. It is synonymous to leadership, determination, decision-making and collaboration, enshrining the values of sportsmanship and teamwork. Keeping this in mind, inter-class cricket, football, badminton and volleyball tournaments were organized for classes 2 to 5. Both boys and girls participated with zeal and fervor in the events, and it became a big success and very popular among the children. The students displayed their sporting powers by participating in various competitions of national, state and zonal level with unbridled enthusiasm. Thank you, Fabio. Pradivya Gupta of Class 3 secured the second position at national level in the 28th National Chess Championship 2014 held at Kolkata from 1st to 9th September 2014. I congratulate Pradivya as a budding chess player. Parina Mehta of Class 5 secured the first position and won gold medal in Delhi State Yogasana Championship held on 20th September 2014 at GD Goenka School, Rohini. Sharon Madan of Class 5 was also awarded the consolation prize in the same event. Our school was the venue of zonal chess tournament, and it was organized by Directorate of Education from 11 to 13 August 2014. Out of more than 60 schools that participated, Pratibya Gupta of Class 3 and Akarsh Gupta of Class 5 took the first position in the primary girls and boys category respectively. M. Samarth secured the second position in the primary boys category. Zonal badminton tournament was held at Kulachi Hansraj Model School in the boys primary category. Raj Kanojia, Ans Sachdeva, Vishatvair of Class 5 took the first position. Zonal table tennis tournament organized by Directorate of Education from 11th to 13th August 2014 in the primary girls category. The team comprising of Parnika Pasi, Rishima Madan, Stuti Bansal, Archa Jain and Rhythm Thapa took the second position. So this way, on the whole, the year was eventful with large number of activities and competitions and hands-on learning experience. We hope to continue at the same pace in future and help the children grow up into creative and intellectual human beings. Before I take leave, I would like to thank our worthy principal, Mr. D.K. Bedi, who has always stood by us. Sir, you have always been a wise and prudent guide and helped us scale various heights by keeping us abreast with the changing scenario in the field of education. Your active involvement and wholehearted dedication in all the projects and ventures that we undertake here at APJ School Pitampura are a source of tremendous energy and encouragement for all of us. Thank you, sir. We APGians, while basking in the glory of our success, do not sit on our achieved laurels, but tirelessly work to touch the zenith. At the same time, we wish to correct the shortcomings of the past and try to fare better in the future. Today, we look forward with a sense of hope towards greater growth and the years to come, the primary wing will continue to persist to search forward on the path of progress. I welcome and thank all the parents present here. Your presence has made the occasion more lively and graceful. Without your dedication and extended help, no program could ever be successful. Once again, on behalf of the staff and the students, I thank you all here with us. In the end, I would just like to quote and conclude with these lines of Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Please enjoy this show put up by 500